Hello everyone, and I'm Sankit. I'm basically from CC Development, and we are Team 53. And our project is actually about a platform where people can write blogs and browse at the same time simultaneously and retrieving the data through different kind of websites, just like we go through Google. And not only that, there is actually a special feature for our project, that is that where actually people goes to other chat GPTs, or not only chat GPTs like Gemini AI, Perplexity, Comment. Many AI platforms are there to content where the content will be AI summarized. But in our project, we actually intuitively discovered a thing and invented a platform where AI summarization become easier than rather going to other AI platforms. We actually added a feature of AI summarization to our platform itself, so the writer, the user can eventually understand the data more clear and specific manner. In the way they get to understand changes, and the time consumption will also be decreased. And our project is title is that the further data of problem statement, objectives and its solution will be further explained by my teammates Akshit.
As Sankit introduced our project, now let me introduce to the particular thing, problem statement. The problem statement comes like in our real world where if you would like to find any some related content or some searching thing, we usually go to ChatGPT or some Grok or Perplexity, but we could not find some more particular fragmented data where actually we found problems in it. So this problem statement we categorized into four objectives where we can write our particular blogs, search the content through web internet data, and where we can write blog data. So all these particular three data can be fragmented and shown us in a neat purified content data. In this way, this thing search AI better stands than a Perplexity or Grok or some other external AI content writer. And our fourth objective is time consumption.
Now I would like to show our PPT presentation of this particular project, and our title goes here: Discover Insured Blogging with Real-Time Think Search and AI Summarization, and guided by our Johnson Kallu Research. And our problem statement picture is here. Here we actually, in our today's digital landscape, users often face significant in accessing public available information. So we identify these key points that Think Search aims to resolve this. This involves mainly fragmented content exploration or some lack of instant summarization and time consumption. This varies in a particular tool we use in our daily life. And this is the literature survey we have been studied and implemented, researched, and just put over this in a particular slide. And if I speak about this introduction, we have this redefining content interaction, where it is an innovative platform that seamlessly integrates content creation with intelligent discovery and with an AI powered summarization into a single cohesive expression. So it involves like content to unleashed exploration, amplified knowledge, and here comes our objectives. We have mainly four objectives. One is unified blogging platform, where users can publish their own blogs, maintains CRUD operations, and an AI powered summarization which implements intelligent AI models to provide perfect summarized of that particular fetched results. And another thing is it is an involves multi-domain search, and it enables seamless search across diverse content types including news or music, some external categories. And the whole thing is speaks about thing search is fragmentations. To address this horizontal, vertical and temporal content fragmentation, unifying diverse sources and providing AI search with intelligent summarization has been involved in this particular system. And our innovations, like our particular innovative approach was like defining the unified interface, implementing AI per summarization and dynamic exploration. And this is the particular system architecture we have designed, where we use a particular full stack of involving main stack in a particular development, and front end as React and back end as Node and Express, and database and Supabase or on MongoDB for authentication, Supabase for managing the particular data fetching, and a clean UI dashboard of architecture. And the key features we are implementing or The thing search involves is rich text blogging and multi-domain search, AI content summarization with a scalable latest trending tech stack called mainstack design, which empowers users distraction into a particular empowering the interaction. And the development and workflow goes here. In front end, the blogging platform will look like a medium style blogging editor and responsive backend designs involving secure REST APIs and content fetching logic. And it involves AI summarization, testing, and deployment. And we maintained CI/CD pipeline and cloud hosting as an on render. And the workflow implementations of content creation, real time, and AI summarization. And this is the particular workflow architecture where the user actually goes to the front end and the input given, and that it goes to the API call gateways, and it goes to the back end, goes to the HTTP connection, and just aggregate the particular pipeline, eventually getting the data from the back end involving this particular summarization and going to external APIs, and according to the user schema the output workflows works in a particular way. And this is the roles and responsibilities of our work done as a team, where front end developer is maintain should maintain React and dashboards, back end developer as an AI services or logic database, and AI engineer and deployment engineer as an CI/CD or scalability. And we have some future enhancements, that is personalized ML based recommendations, advanced blogger analytics, React Native as an mobile apps, and this could be the UI. And I would love to show you this particular slides of UI, and we have tested multiple APIs of this particular data set according to the time response and time consumption, and we have implemented the most accurate speed of fetching results platforms, so that we actually solve the problem of lack of content time consumption. And this could be the scores of the particular API services. And the future environments goes this way, cross platform things. And so the conclusion comes like write, explore, and understand.
I'm the backend developer of this project. The backend goes like architecture like where I have connected multiple APIs through total entire internet and cross-checked with Postman whether the endpoints are cleanly working or not. And I've just integrated this particular backend endpoints to frontend to enhance the workflow existing. If an search input is given, the exact data has been fetching or not.
Prashant, I'm responsible for the front-end development. This thing search is built using TypeScript and React. The homepage introduces and search engine and bill provider and AI summarization. In AI summarization, the user have to give input, and this shows the output based on web pages, images, based on that.
I am Vidyasagar. I am a database developer. I used to write schemas for our project, and these schemas are written in the MongoDB. Our main database is used as a to store data, and for sake of storing the profile details or user details, and after that logging, we are using for it we are using as authentication. And for writing a blog application, after writing the blogs, it will be stored as a message in the database, and fetching from the database to show the blogs. If we open our thing search blog ratings, we will fetch from the recent database results, and it will be shown to the user. Current operations are performed in this. Create means while creating blog, we will be create operation, or card operation will be performed. And update means after writing a blog, it will be updated. If any mistakes are there, or to update some information, update operation is used in this.
This is Sairam, and I usually work on the AI summarizer. And this AI summarizer is used for summarizing the text, blogs, etc. And I usually use the Gemini API, and the model I used is CodeBut model. And it features the API. It features the information from the different APIs and content writing.
Myself, Abhinav Reddy. I handle the deployment and integration part of our project, where we use GitHub for version control and Vercel for front-end deployment, and render for render for back-end deployment. Every commit to the main branch automatically triggers the pipelining. Vercel is CI/CD pipeline in our project, where for continuous integration and continuous deployment to ensure total version control up to date.
UI of our project, and this is a search engine where we can write, search, and understand everything all at one place. This is this combination of powerful blogging with intelligent multi-search domain and a summarization. We can start writing here or explore some particular search. It can be rich type blogging or smart search and a summarization. Well, I have inputted a keyword called JavaScript and just click this button, and a fragmented data has been shown here, fragmenting and synthesizing information from all sources. So this is all fragmenting content related from fetched from multiple sources. And here we have an input min. What it stands means, like it is an exactly straightforward definition of particular input was given, and these are the results of Google available search, Wikipedia, or some Google available data. Here comes some websites or some documentation or some official things which have been involved in entire internet, and this could be involve some YouTube videos or some news or images related to the particular word given. And I would like to show these particular categories. You can show like images or videos or news or some related to music or Wikipedia or some web related data. So each and every keyword involves multiple categories to fetch the data and show exactly what was given. If I would like to show coding as an input, and I just like to input the button as in search, and actually it searches across all sources. And actually in the background, from all the sources, the data has been fetching background, and the what data has been fetched from the background, that will be fragmenting and synthesizing information from that particular fetched sources. And here comes a fragmented answer and the exact mean and some jiggled data of available information from Google or some Wikipedia as shown, and some images or some videos related in YouTube or some external sources, some news related to coding or some Wikipedia or some web available data. So this is the working model of our ThinkSearch AI.
Thank you for watching our presentation. I hope that the content that we have created actually comes to your liking, and I also think that this project can be updated and enhanced in many different ways and can be taken to next level. And thank you.